This tutorial we will talk about posting announcements in your online course. Let's begin by reviewing the Online Instructor Expectations and Best Practices contract. This contract is required for you to sign at the end of the class and will be placed in your file for each year that you teach online. For traditional instructors, these rules may not apply, but it's always a good idea to go ahead and post announcements in your class so that your students know that there's communication coming from you. Students can often feel isolated in an online class, and to have frequent updates from their instructor helps them feel more a part of the class. So let's look at the contract. 1 week prior to class starting, a welcome announcement should be posted. Then, after that, you should post at least 2 announcements per week. You may also use the email feature. The idea is that we want to make sure that the students are receiving communications from their instructors several times per week, since Aspire classes are short classes, so they are double-paced. They need that communication. Going into posting announcements, go to your Gensbar e-learning class, go into the announcements portlet on the front page. You'll see that the announcements will be listed in your outbox for all of your classes. This can get a little confusing, so you want to make sure that you are looking at the inbox. Something handy though using the outbox is that you can use these again by clicking on the pencil icon to edit them, and then you can feature them in this class. Go to Manage at the top near where the announcements page is located, and then select New Announcement. Give your announcement a title. You can make announcements to individual users or everybody in this class. Create your announcement. You can use the editing menu at the top to make your text look different. You can make it larger or smaller, bold specific items. You can add hyperlinks. You can also add pictures. You can also embed videos or other kinds of embeddable learning objects here in the announcements. For example, I have an announcement that I embedded a video about an assignment. Choose when you would like to start the announcement and when you would like to end the announcement. You can end on a specific date, and then what to do after the announcement has ended. Once you're satisfied that this announcement is adequate for your purposes, select Save. You'll see that that announcement has now been moved to your inbox. Students will see this when they log into class on the front page if you have the announcements portlet featured on your front page.